We start by first entering a company name. Once the company name get, you will get a OTP code to your email, the one you entered. And we are not taking any passwords or setting up some passwords. So right now it's just through your OTP. And once you have entered the OTP, you will come to the dashboard. And here is the dashboard that you're going to see. The first step is to go to the topic manager where you will add a topic. For example, you can have, and just select what you would like to have. So one, it could be informational or commercial. Informational is when you write educational type of content and you want to promote your product to explain to people. And commercial is when people are trying to buy to solve a problem and you want to be featured in the chat GPT for them. Once you do, what happens is that it goes and it tracks these topics and it will look for related search items and how many, what is the value, and it's going to group into related clusters. And we are going to recommend the stronger clusters. So while it is being discovered, as soon as you go and you click add topics, I will just show you the other ones we have already here. So you can have one with how many, for this cluster, there is like 42 AI search volume a month. And within this, there are 45 topics that could be written. And you will have, we have built a recommender system where we will say, here you see now that it has come for SEO and digital marketing. If you write, there is 866 people have looking for it, and there it is on three topics. And our recommendation is it is going to be a fast win, but it is very, a lot of companies are looking for it, so it's a medium. So you will be it will take some time for you to do. So you can also, suppose you don't want to write about SE definition and meanings, you can just remove it, and it will do is create the remove from your calendar and how you are going to schedule it. Once we have done, you can expand on it and you can remove a few others. And once it's all done, just approve and schedule. And once you will do the approval and schedule, you will start getting, it will come into your calendar and start populating every day what based on how you want and how often you want the calendar. With that calendar, just want to show you, you go here in the settings. Here you can add different profile about, like, such as name, how you want your content to be generated, what is the positioning limit, what you don't allow. The market is here, so you can have, or say English is the only language that is supported right now, and you can select uh, any country where, and what it will do, it will localize the content and the extraction of the data. You can have also for your social media, you can give examples and store here how you would like to have. For delivery, you can have like a web flow. You can enter an email. You can have WordPress or a webhook for automation. So here for email, just enter the email and save, and daily you will get an email. The reason is because I have scheduled it for daily. You can have it twice a week, once a week, or every other day. And you can also set up the time when you want it. So right now it's in UTC. Once you have saved all of this, in the morning at 8 UTC, you will get an article like this, a long form one, where it can explain to you how it is being all generated and how it was generated for you. Also, how many words, how many sections, how many l- headings it has, what is the reading time, and when it came. And you can preview the article here so you can read everything as to before you go and publish. You can also click on edit the article, and once you click, you can either change like this, or if you go here and you want to change anything, mass, just edit, remove M dashes and make it one line, and you apply. The AI will do it for you. So here it is being changed, so there are no M dashes. Once you have done it, just save, and you have the posts to go with it, so you can have edit these posts without and save, or you can ask it to regenerate, and it will regenerate the post based on here you on the article. And once it's all done, you can just have this as send it to yourself, and that's it. Here is another like keyboard dashboard where how many topics we have, 6 clusters, one, and how many citations you have in the. Uh, if you do 24 topics, write about it. These are the number of citations a month you will get from LLMs, and that's it. And once you will publish for tomorrow, is going to be written, and where it's the day after.